So, like, guys, on the vlog number 14 or 15. But we got Charlie here. Charlie can say hello. Charlie can say hello. Oh, Lloyd. Yeah, Azor Bird sitting for my neighbor Lloyd. So that was Charlie, aka Charles. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the vlog. Charlie, look what I got. Look what I got, Charlie. Charlie, look what I got. Charlie, look what I got. Look what I got, Charlie. Look what I got. Look what I got, Charlie. Charlie, look. Charlie, look what I got. So, it's like I was saying. I never seen Lloyd. Charlie so upset before. So yeah. Speaking of Charlie, he's right over here, but as soon as he sees the camera, he'll probably go back into the cage. Yeah, see? I'm getting a lot of text messages today. I don't know if someone's here trying to look for Lloyd, so let me just peek outside, see if anyone's here. Do you miss Lloyd, Charlie? So guys, I think Charlie misses Lloyd, so he's gonna be gone for pretty much this whole weekend. It's Saturday, and he probably won't be home till Sunday or Monday. Him and Missy, so yeah. Look at his face, guys. He looks so sad. Look at him. I think he misses I'm supposed to say Charlie. I think he misses Lloyd. So, yeah. Sorry, I just had to respond to that message. Oh yeah, look at him. I never seen him go into his cage like this before. I think he's really upset that Lloyd's gone for a while. He was playing earlier. But yeah. I really do think he misses Lloyd. He really does love Lloyd. That's pretty much all I have to say about that, but yeah, he does probably miss Lloyd because I never seen him go into his cage before. Because whenever Lloyd's here, I always see him like on top of his cage, but I never see him like this. Hiding in his cage. Never seen that before. So what the heck was that? Oh, probably someone come and pick up Jimmy. But yeah. I've never seen Charlie so upset before. So yeah. Don't know what I always close that gate for anymore because their dog Jessie had to get put down, and yeah. So like I said earlier, it is a really nice day out here today. Probably like in the 50s somewhere. So why not just sit outside for a little bit? So, guess that's all I really have to say. For right now, it's still currently around 12 o'clock. Let's do it Instagram. So, sorry about this, guys. Oh yeah, I never seen a bird that upset before. Probably gonna check my neighbor's mailbox in a little bit, make sure that they have no mail. But pretty much, that building right over there pretty much like got broken into a few days ago. Yeah. So yeah, that place did get broken into about like, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago. There's writing on the wall. There's been cops driving up and down my street for a good while now. But yeah. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna actually try to get some more videos of Charlie, but seems like he does not like the camera that much because probably like the red light on the camera. He probably doesn't like that because if I go into a mirror right now, you can actually see that there's a red light. So who knows? He might not like the red light on the camera. So as soon as I get like a better camera, he'll probably get into the shots. So pretty much, I don't know if there's gonna be any more videos of Charlie because I don't know. I don't even know if I can turn off this red light because if I could shut it off, I would, and then he'll probably like focus more on the videos. But like, see guys, whenever he sees the red light, he like freaks out. So I'm gonna try to get this on my iPod and see if I even brought my iPod. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get this on my iPod or iPhone to see if he actually does stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna try to record a part of it of Charlie on my iPod Touch. So I'll see you there. Camera shy peel because here, let's see if he tries to take it. Charlie, do you want it? Charlie, careful, don't slide down. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put the camera down and see if he. Charlie, the camera's down. Charlie, the camera's gone. Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? So I guess he's camera shy, guys, because he doesn't want the stick that he was just chewing on. So I guess until he actually takes it, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm still here with Charlie, the bird. But yeah, I'm gonna probably be here almost, I don't know, pretty much for maybe all day today, I don't know. But yeah, I am still here with Charlie. You can see he's trying to look in the camera. But yeah, I can't say anything bad about Charlie. He is a really good bird. And right now it is 12:36 p.m. and I'm still with Charlie. Who wants to see Charlie? There he is. That's Charlie. I think he's a little camera shy because he's trying to hide. Charlie, take a look at the camera. Are you camera shy? I think he's camera shy, guys, because he's trying to run from the camera. Oh! Charlie, are you camera shy? Or is the red light bugging you? Okay, guys, so that. So yeah, so yeah, I'm doing that bird sitting for probably the weekend. So I'm gonna vlog some more. Um, the rest of the vlog might be over here at my neighbor Lloyd's house. It is a nice day out today, so there is a lot of cars. A lot of houses around this area, but yeah. So yeah, right in there. Charlie's in there. Nice day. Probably like in the 60s. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today, guys. I'm gonna be bird sitting this bird. So yeah, I'll come back with you with an update in about, I don't know, maybe like a half an hour or so, because my camera is about to die. So for now, I'm signing off. This Charlie's actually playing with this little stick thing. So pretty much like I said earlier, I don't know if I showed you guys all this, but pretty much we got peanuts here for him, we got bird seeds, water, treats, these things that he likes to chew on, this stick, which he's biting on right now. I think that's the last one. Oh yeah, there he is biting on his little stick. Man, this shot looks good in front of the Christmas tree. I wonder if I can take a still picture when I'm recording. I don't know if that worked, but I'll check, and if it didn't work, I'll take it after I record this part. Okay, so I have more right there for him to bite on. I think the homeowner said that they have more inside of here too, so that's stuff right there so he doesn't bite. Yep, see they have some more stuff in there. So, yeah, so pretty much it's gonna be my weekend. Just gonna hang out here with the bird and all that stuff, so yeah. Just like how I said that it's nice outside, let's take a look at my phone to see how nice it is outside. It is 54 degrees. 55, it just changed. So yeah. So for now, I gotta go plug in my camera some more. Another shot of Charlie. But yeah, I gotta go back to plugging in my camera. So I'll see you guys in a few. Okay, guys. So I am home now from my neighbor's house. So I am gonna be watching on Charlie again tomorrow. So I'll try to get like a little video. I'm charging my iPod, bring that over so he's not getting blind from the red light on my camera. So yeah, please like this video, leave a comment, subscribe for more. And right now I am currently playing WWE 2K16, 15. I don't have 2K16 yet. But yeah, I'm currently playing WWE 2K15 right now on my Xbox 360. So until then, this is your on YouTube vlogging, gaming, heavyweight champion of the world signing off, and your Mr. Money in the Bank signing off for tonight. So currently, the last vlog that I actually posted was around like 2 o'clock. It is currently 11:51 at night. So I'm finally posting this right now. So, bye everybody.